Hello and welcome to the Pioneer Room Beginning Genealogy series. I'm Ashley Hayes, the archivist at the Escondido Public Library. Today we'll explore how to create a good genealogy research question. A good genealogy research question is clear, specific, and actionable. Why does this matter? Because genealogy is like detective work. You need to know what you're looking for in order to find it. Let's break this down into 3 steps. First is specificity and focus. Effective research questions should be specific and focus on a single person, event, relationship, or record type. Second is defining a time and place. A well-constructed research question should include time and place parameters to ensure research is directed toward relevant sources. Third is focusing on feasibility and answerability. Genealogy research questions should be answered with available records. Let's look at an example. If you want to learn what your great-grandmother's maiden name was, we'll first start with what we know. We know her name was Maria Elizabeth Brown, and that your great-grandfather is William Brown. You think they were married in 1875 in Los Angeles. So you might structure your question like this. What is the maiden name of Maria Elizabeth Brown, who married William Brown in Los Angeles County in 1875? We're focusing on a specific person, adding a known relationship, a specific location, and a known date. Because of how specific we were, we know to look for vital records to answer our question. In this case, we'll search marriage records in Los Angeles County to find her maiden name. By asking clear, specific, and actionable questions, you'll uncover details that bring your family's story to life. So, what's your next research question?